Right folks, today we're going to look at recursion, but more to the point, recursion with a return value and the impact of stack frames on a stack. So what we've got here is a very simple function, a very simple program. We've got main calls add1 with a parameter of 1. The function add1 is very simple. Takes in a number as a parameter, adds 1 to it, and if this value is less than 5, then it calls itself and returns the value. Now, we've got a breakpoint set here so we can follow the code going through. The main thing is to watch the numbers and watch the call stack. So here we go. Okay, here is our call stack. Here is main, and here is the first stack frame for add1. It's popped on the stack. The value of number is 1, and therefore the value of result is 2. There you can see it, result is 2. Is result less than 5? Yes it is, and so we call ourselves. Once this function is then compiled, another stack frame is placed onto the stack. So there's add1 for the first call and add1 for the second call. In this, result is 3. The parameter passed in is 2 from the first stack frame. Result is now 3. Are we less than 5? Yes we are. And we recurse again. Watch down here, and there is another stack frame placed on the stack. There are now 3 stack frames for the 3 recursive calls to add 1. The number passed in is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 is less than 5, and we recurse again. And again down here there are now 4 stack frames on the stack, with the final stack frame here being the one that is executed. The number 4 is passed in. 4 plus 1 is 5. Result is now less than 5, and we start to return. So you see there are now 4 stack frames on the stack. One of them is now popped off. There are now only 3 stack frames on this stack, and the number gets returned. So in stack frame number 3, the value result was 4. Now it's been overwritten with 5. Back we come again. There are now 2 stack frames. Result was originally 3. Now it's been overwritten with 5. Back we come. There's only now 1 stack frame on the stack. Result in here was 2, and now it's 5. Back we come. Back to add 1. And there is the result of our recursive function call. You will note, as each call to add 1 occurred, an extra stack frame was placed on the stack. There were 4 recursive function calls, and therefore 4 stack frames were placed. As each one returned, a stack frame was popped off the stack, and the value of result was returned to each stack frame.